afternoon.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Cynthia Guru Wengari. I am a student at the Catholic University and I am a law student. I'm about to begin my fourth year and I am a revolutionary.
My name is John Krisa. I'm a fourth year law student at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa.
Okay, I'm Job Matiko, a student at Catholic University of Eastern Africa. I'm doing bachelor's in law.
My name is Mshindi Wo. I'm currently a third year law student at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa. Currently, during my long holiday, I'm an intern associate at Daniel and Henry Advocates. Yes.
And what brings you to this citizen assembly today?
I'm here, I think, for the same reason as most people, because we want justice, for the victims, and we feel like it's been stated very clearly, we the people.
Listen to the victims and the families who have lost their loved ones in these previous demonstrations, and what the stakeholders are doing, that is the Law Society of Kenya, Amnesty International, and other bodies in the legal fraternity, so that they ensure that this family get justice and
have the power, and all we want is justice. So I'm here for the same reason as you are, the same reason as anyone around. I am a citizen who believes in the cause that we've been fighting for. I've been on the streets in my Wangari Maathai era, and I feel like there are better ways to deal with children who are just asking for a better life.
And I feel like more has to be done, most especially in the legal field. Basically, we are here to support the need to protect fellow youths. So we are here, we are excited, we are here to interact with the famous youths, leaders who actually advocate for young citizens and their rights. Prepare for a more smoother future for maybe our upcoming generation, and to maybe inform them that when something is wrong, it can be changed.
What brings me here is that I want my voice to be heard and also to hear the voices of other Kenyans, because I participated in the demonstrations for the finance bill to be rejected, and also the call for good governance. So I'm just here to get views from people and also air out my views today. Yes.
Awesome. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.